How to start a YouTube channel for kids. Starting a YouTube channel for kids is a little different from doing so regularly. Here's everything you need to know. Whether your child wants a YouTube channel of their own or you have an idea for a kids show, you can set it all up safely. The steps take time and planning, and there are rules to keep in mind, but the results can be worthwhile. Here's how to start a YouTube channel for kids. Follow this guide to learn the setup process, as well as tips on making the channel successful or effective for your child's needs. Memorize YouTube's regulations for kids. Age requirements vary from country to country, but children under 13 typically can't create their own accounts on YouTube, and parental permission is required up to the age of 17. Features like Google Payments, AdSense, and Google Ads are also restricted to users aged 18 or over. However, you can set up your kids' YouTube channel for them. Before we elaborate, take a look at Google's child safety policy for YouTube content containing kids. Some policies involve extreme practices, like sexual or violent content, but YouTube does crack down on minor cases, too. It's a good idea to learn these rules and relay as much as possible to your underage YouTuber, if only to avoid posting inappropriate content and getting the account terminated. Such resources are just as important for adult creators setting up channels for young audiences. Read up on Google's content policies regarding YouTube Kids accounts and the app. Cover any insights into family-friendly videos, too. Learn how to make a kid's YouTube channel. Setting up a YouTube account and channel as a parent is a slightly different process than usual. Take a look at what to expect. Even better, chat with your child, pinpoint what videos you'd like to share, and design the channel as necessary. 1. Create a Google account for yourself or your kid. Remember that only adults can create Google accounts for children under the age of 13. Beyond that threshold, your kid can follow the setup process alone, but you still need to enable parental control to steer them away from harmful content. Use your computer, smartphone, or Family Link app to create a new Google account. Depending on how much you want to restrict your kids' online activity, these platforms have ways to make the account supervised, but not all of them allow the creation of YouTube channels. For this goal, your best bet is to use an adult's account, so sign in or create a new one. From an existing account, just select your profile image and then switch accounts, add account. You have the option to create an account specifically for a child, but this is a mode that doesn't let you create channels. Continue the setup process as an adult, while keeping in mind that this account will be the foundation of your kid's YouTube channel. There are several options when it comes to letting your kids watch YouTube while supervised, but running a channel is a different matter. Don't worry, though. There are safeguards you can employ for your child's protection, while still encouraging their creativity and hunger for learning. 2. Set up your kid's YouTube channel. Once your Google account is set, your child can join YouTube as a creator. To add a channel, go to YouTube's website or app, switch to the newly created account, click on its profile image, and select Create a Channel. Give the channel a name and picture, but don't use the kid's real name or face. Make something up to keep their identity safe. And the channel is ready to grow into a fun and educational activity for your little YouTuber and their viewers. 3. Personalize the channel's settings. One security measure for a child-friendly experience is available in the Profile Images drop-down menu. Click on the Restricted Mode tab and set it to On. You can even lock it on your browser, so your kid can't deactivate it and get exposed to mature content. If you go to Settings, you can customize the YouTube account's privacy, notifications, payments, and other preferences even more so that it's safe for a child to use. You can do the same for your channel. From its main profile, just go to Customize Channel Settings. Organize these before adding videos, and make sure your kid understands that they mustn't tamper with them. As the parent, you can then help create and manage content with your child, while keeping an eye on things through your parental controls. For example, you can add the channel's Google account to your Family Link and track its activity. 4. Get the right equipment for your kid's YouTube channel. Assuming you have a few projects in mind, gather the materials you need as well as equipment for setting up, recording, and editing videos. Think about your space, lighting, sound, and camera. Additionally, do you want simple video editors that even a child can learn to use? Or will you handle the editing yourself with superior software? Make choices that keep your YouTube channel fun and easy to maintain, not to mention educational and safe for your kid. Learn how to create a YouTube channel for kids as an adult. If you're an adult, you follow the standard process of setting up a Google account and YouTube channel without age regulations or parental supervision to worry about. That said, you should take just as much care when designing the channel. Make sure the content really is appropriate for children, adjust the settings so that it's fun and safe to use, and double-check that nothing violates YouTube's policies. Avoid anything that could be harmful on a channel for kids. General tips on uploading content to a YouTube channel for children. The ultimate reason for creating a YouTube channel is to fill it with videos. There are several factors to keep in mind, whether you're wondering how to be a YouTuber kid or what interests young audiences. 1. Decide your channel's direction. While exploring how to make a kid's YouTube channel, it's a good idea to also learn what becoming a YouTuber entails before you even try it. Once your kid or you as a creator understand the responsibility and risk behind the venture, choose its direction wisely. For best results, the content you upload should be on topics you're passionate about and that people would want to watch. Browse existing popular videos for ideas, like YouTube cooking channels for kids. Also consider whether to create proper videos, slideshows, podcasts, or something else, not to mention how to manage such content effectively, as each type comes with its own challenges. For example, here are common problems beginner podcasters face. Prepare yourself and your kid to tackle them. How you approach your audience is also important. A YouTube channel for kids should make a good YouTube channel introduction and then regularly add exciting content. Make sure you come up with a realistic schedule and lots of ideas for videos. 2. Be practical about your production tools. Depending on what you want to populate the YouTube channel with, you'll need equipment, both software and hardware. But don't overspend on products you don't even need. Your smartphone may have most of your essential tools, including a camera, microphone, and handy apps. Only if that or your computer's resources don't cut it should you look into getting new equipment. Then again, you'll find great deals around, especially for children. Free video editing software is worth exploring alongside options for audio-based productions. If you're working with your kid, the products you choose should be easy enough for both of you to use. In the end, your little YouTuber could develop a range of technological skills. 3. Practice using the video upload process. Another complicated part of joining YouTube as a creator is the video upload process. You'll find better video sites than YouTube when it comes to user-friendliness, but mastering how to start a YouTube channel for kids can pay off like nothing else when it comes to your child's development. When uploading, there are different steps and choices to make, like ticking the Made for Kids box, writing a description with keywords, and choosing the video's visibility. Use it enough and the process can become second nature, but keep supervising your kid as they upload their content. Apart from helping them get it right, you can make sure their videos are safe to post. While YouTube might catch violations and block the content anyway, it won't necessarily spot sensitive information your kid included in a video. 4. Choose the best privacy settings for kid creators. Being a YouTuber isn't always pleasant. Not only can scammers use your public image or sensitive information that slipped your net, but commenters can be cruel or inappropriate. As a rule of thumb, when you set up a kid's YouTube channel, make it private and with comments inactive. This way only people you invite can view it and there's minimal opportunity for negative responses. There are various ways to do all this. To access them, open YouTube Studio through the Customize Channel button and explore the settings features. Firstly, you can set the whole channel as Made for Kids. Go to Channel Advanced Settings and select the option, which automatically disables comments, notifications, ads, and stories. If you want a bit more freedom, it's possible to manually toggle each of these elements. In the Settings panel, go to the Upload Defaults tab, where, among other things, you can set every post's visibility to private and choose whether to disable comments or review them personally before posting them. Besides countering bad users, you may want to add safeguards against YouTube itself, considering the widespread problem of companies like Google using tracking cookies. Expand your security measures to include stopping YouTube from tracking your activity or your kids. 5. Set rules for your YouTuber kid. Producing videos and building your channel is exciting and can easily take over your life. So, part of learning how to make a YouTube channel involves managing a healthy schedule. When it comes to a young YouTuber, make sure you lay down firm ground rules. In addition to limiting the kinds of content being shared, you should control how much time they spend recording videos or sitting in front of a screen. Other rules can include alerting you to any suspicious users and not changing settings without your say-so. Adult creators can benefit from such a structure as well. A good plan, daily schedule, and set of security measures can lead to a successful kids' YouTube channel. Get ideas from existing YouTube channels for kids and family. Now that you know how to start a YouTube channel for kids, explore the platform's tools in more detail and pay attention to what you love about your favorite creators. Look at their themes, techniques, and channel layout for inspiration. At the same time, if you're a parent guiding your child through YouTube, see how you can make the experience as rewarding as possible in terms of entertainment, education, and emotional growth. The whole project can be the best bonding experience.